Hey you guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome for a power hour clean with me mom life edition. You guys, this is the definition of mom life. Okay, my hair is a bit oily because I have not washed it in a couple days. It's not done whatsoever. I didn't brush it before the video. My clothes are just not the best and I have no makeup on, and on top of that I'm gonna have a toddler following me all over throughout this entire video. So basically what we're gonna be doing today is cleaning from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. which is when my toddler takes her nap. So my house got a little bit of a wreck and I literally had every dish that I owned inside either the dishwasher or inside the sink because I hadn't washed dishes in like 3 days. Guys, my toddler is teething and she's teething so bad. She has 4 teeth, 4 of the top teeth growing at the same time, and she's been so clingy. So I just haven't found it in me to really do anything but attend to her. She won't even want me to put her down, or she'll like throw a crazy tantrum, and I'm so nervous that the neighbors are gonna think I'm killing her or something. So I've just been attending to her. But today she usually wakes up at 8 a.m. and then I spent some time with her until 10 o'clock, and then I said, okay, it's an hour before her nap, let me just try to get as much as I can done and be productive. And I didn't get ready or anything like that before picking up the camera. So this is just me. This is how sometimes mom life is. So if you guys are struggling with time just like I am, just give yourself an hour, set a timer, and get up and clean with me and get as much as you can done. I promise you'll feel so much better even if you don't get to everything that you wanted to. So now we're just starting off with the kitchen, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
So now that the dishes are done and I took everything off the countertops, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down all the surfaces, the countertops. I did the cabinets, and I also did the fridge, all that good stuff. But really quickly, I wanted to come on here and ask for suggestions, because if you guys notice, and this has been for a couple of videos and I just kind of been letting it go by, but as it got cold, the caulk that was put in between the backsplash and where the countertop meets is cracking and coming off, you guys. And I experienced this in my other house. As it gets cold, like things separate and stuff, but this is like terrible. And I was told that because this is new construction, as everything settles into, you're gonna have that problem with things separating. So we're gonna have to basically do that whole area over, and also some of our, actually all of our baseboards. They didn't caulk any of the baseboards. I think they thought they had a lot more time, but the house sold really quickly because the market was like so crazy. So the house basically sold as soon as they put it on the market. So I guess they thought they had time and they just forgot some things. So we're just gonna have to do it. But I did want to ask if any of you guys had this problem and you had it repaired or fixed it yourself. What brands of caulk did you get? Because I know there's some of them out there that are anti-crack, and there's honestly a lot of them and you just don't know what to believe. So I don't just want to get anyone that says anti-crack because you don't know if it's true, and I don't want to keep on trying different ones. So let me know down below, please, any suggestions that you had that worked for you and your home. And by the way, you guys, I totally forgot to mention this, but happy New Year's. Again, I am recording this voiceover before New Year's, so it totally like passed my mind. But happy New Year's, you guys. Let's do something fun, and everybody right now in the comments, let me know one of your New Year's resolutions. Mine is to lose the last 20 pounds of my pregnancy weight. So go ahead and comment down below. Now guys, here what I did basically, and here's all the dust that actually came off the bristles, was I took apart my cordless vacuum, and I'm showing you here how to open it because I didn't record me doing that whole process, you guys. I was so flustered. My toddler was like, I try not to get it on camera, but she was like having tantrums just as I said. So I was like cleaning out the entire vacuum vacuum, and I realized I wasn't recording, but I went ahead and did that, guys. And guys, it looks brand new. So if you have a cordless vacuum, look at that. That was so foggy and dusty, and it just felt like I was cleaning my carpets with a dirty vacuum. So I just went ahead and I googled how to clean my cordless, my Bissell Icon Pet cordless vacuum. That is what I have. It's always linked down in the description. But yeah, and you can totally just open it with a knife or a flathead screwdriver and clean out that bristle completely, and it just feels like you're vacuuming with a whole new vacuum, guys. So if you have a cordless vacuum, again, I highly suggest that you look up how to do this with your model so that you can clean it from time to time, because there was so much dust and hair stuck there. There was even a snowflake from her winter wonderland party still stuck there, and that was weeks ago, guys. Look, she's following me around so much that I literally had to mop around here. Goodness, guys, she was literally following me throughout this entire video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the kitchen, and I'll catch up with you guys when I head to the living room. So now, again, since her nap is coming up at 11 o'clock, I went ahead and put away all her toys and took this chance because I have not done it throughout the week. And guys, I found plastic spoons because she goes in my cabinets and takes out the plastic utensils. I had all this play plastic produce laying around, all her toys that I hide inside of the blanket basket. By the way, let me know if you do that down below because that is an awesome mom hack. But yeah, she had dumped them all out, and I just had all types of things on my living room floor, so I needed to get everything together, vacuum, pass the lint roller on my couch, and do all that before I went ahead and put her for her first nap. And by the way, as I show you the lint roller and everything that I grab off of my pillows, my couches, and even when I show you the vacuum, all the red that you see, the red lint, the hair is from me because postpartum hair loss still happening since 4 months postpartum. But the red lint is from that red throw, and I shared this before, but that throw is from Target, is from their Christmas collection. I forgot what line it's from, but it's a red knit throw with the pom-poms, super cute, but it sheds lint like crazy. So I already let you guys know that if you see those throws at Target and you don't like lint all over, do not get it.
Songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Alright, you guys, now we're gonna clean the last space that I'm gonna be doing during this whole power hour mom life cleaning, which is her nursery. I'm gonna be picking up her toys. I had to put some laundry away that I hadn't, and put some diapers away that have been laying there for who knows how long. But she had a little accident before this as it was approaching towards 11 o'clock, her nap, and I had to change her clothes, so it cut my time short, so I was gonna do one of the bathrooms. I didn't get to it, but I still feel super productive and feel so much better. So again, if you only have an hour to do whatever you have to do, go ahead and take advantage. I promise you will feel better after. But yeah guys, after this, that's pretty much it for the video. So thank you if you stood this far. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're not already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so that you will not miss any of the future exciting content. I'll see you guys on Friday for the Valentine's Day shop and decor haul, because Valentine's Day is coming up, you guys, and I'm so excited for that. So I'll see you guys next time.
Wake up at mine. Same question